All right, I have been teasing you with these. I have been showing clips and stories and everything over the past 4 months, and I finally have these ready for you. So over the last few months, you have seen me bake these cookies, and a lot of you thought that I was going to sell them from home again. But no, these are actually very special. I have been working on this non-stop whenever I had the time to give you the perfect ebook to start your own business at home. Not baking cupcakes, not baking cakes, not going complicated with extreme designs and piping and overwhelming stuff that needs to be perfect on those cupcakes and cakes, but with something very easy. Yes, at first these started out baking for fun. Giant cookies just to enjoy at home because they got so trendy. Then I thought about the extra income, started thinking, well, okay, I can bake these, an extra income, which is amazing, but I realized that these cookies are so much more needed in the world than just me baking them. I already have my beautiful cupcakes that I can do and that I am blessed enough to make as pretty as I can. But not every one of you does have that talent to create a cupcake that looks pretty. That's my superpower. But now maybe I can give you something that is easily baked, easily found, and very trendy right now. And these are the giant cookies that you guys have been seeing in the world. Sure, I could have taken these recipes and shared them with you wildly, one by one on my blog, free of charge, no problem at all to get. But in the internet world, and you can tell me if I'm making sense, a lot of the stuff gets lost. You see so many posts on all of your social media sites. You save it and then you forget where it is. And you have no idea where to start because there are so many overwhelming pictures and flavors and combinations and styles and techniques and baking methods. I don't know about you, but that had me overwhelmed as well. And now I've created this ebook to put everything for you together easily. You found the recipes, you have all of the stuff needed to just go and bake them. But I wanted to give you something of value, something that you can go buy, that you can be proud of, that you can download, that you can have together on your fingertips, on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer, whatever means you have, and start earning. Start immediately. Start seeing that there's a possibility out there for you to create extra income. Now, all of you that knows me or has been here for a while, no, I have a full-time job. Currently, I am on maternity leave, yes. But I, for the last 12 to 13 years, have been working full-time from about 7 to 5 every day, and still be able to create my thriving baking business, which has been amazing for income potential. Amazing. So there's no point in you. This is your chance to go and see if you can create an extra income yourself as well. These giant cookies are the perfect taste, the perfect size. You can go and make them bigger. You can make them smaller. I've created the labels for you to put on top. See, this is the peanut butter and pretzel cookies. It's freshly baked, homemade. Behind, I've added all the ingredients for you. These are ready to download. Whenever you get the ebook, you get the links to go and edit these yourself, or just download and have someone print them out for you. I've created a little sticker. If you buy from me, you will see the sticker on my boxes. These are one that you can just download, have them printed out. Go take the time and the effort. Go and bake, go and sell. Easy. With these, There are no more doubts, no more fears, no more standing in your own way. You can just go, create, pack, and sell them. I have added in information on where to start selling, how to start selling. I have created ideas for you on how to package them, how to store them, how to sell them, how to bake them. Everything you need is in a 33-page ebook. This is the ebook. You can go and download it and start earning this month already. Trust me, they are absolutely delicious, and you will definitely get returning customers if you commit and go and decide this is what you want to do. No fancy dancy piping, no creating various different stuff, 6 cookies. I hope I have taken a second out of your day to inspire you and to give you hope. And actually, we hope that you take the chance, go and find the link, go create these cookies, go and sell them, go and create yourself a better life, and have fun while doing it. Go and just make the world a better place.